What's up, everybody? Rody here, and I wanted to run through a very common concern for anyone with a 6-liter Power Stroke diesel, and that's the stuck turbo. If you have a 6-liter, this might be familiar to you. This usually results in a lack of power with a check engine light. You'll usually get a trouble code P0299 or P0234 with a wrench light. This happens because the 6 liters have what's called a variable geometry turbo, or VGT, which just means that the vanes are adjustable, controlling exhaust flow. It's a great design, however, it is prone to some issues like carbon buildup, wear on the unison ring and the vanes, or even rust from exhaust moisture. It's especially common in vehicles that experience light use or if they sit for long periods of time. So what are our options? In this case, we're performing what's called a turbo recondition or a refresh. As you can see here, the unison ring was in fact stuck and I actually had to pry it off. Fortunately, nothing was damaged or worn beyond repair, so replacing the turbo is not needed, which in this case would be more costly. So what I'm doing here is cleaning off the center rotating housing using an abrasive pad. This will break off any soot or rust buildup. I do the same to the turbine housing as well as the unison ring itself and all of the vanes. Here I'm using a carbide bit to resurface where that unison ring actually rotates, making sure that the unison ring no longer is binding up and is able to move freely. I make sure to pull off the VGT actuator and inspect it, and if it looks good, apply some fresh oil and reinstall it. After that, it's just a matter of applying fresh oil to the vanes and the turbine housing, double checking any moving parts to make sure that they do in fact move freely. If everything looks good, next step is reassembling and putting this turbo back together and reinstalling. So overall, performing a recondition is going to eliminate those underboost and overboost codes as well as restore that power from your turbo. It's going to extend the life of your turbo and it's going to save you significantly in cost compared to replacement. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you'd like to see other videos about some other common repairs, definitely leave a comment and give this video a like, and send this to any 6.0 owner that you know. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.